Thank you. Tonight, we are learning more about a controversial quiz question at a Palm Beach Gardens middle school that referred to the 45th president as a, quote, idiot.
The dad who brought this to our attention says he spoke to an instructional superintendent from the district today. They're now contacting the Department of Education about its relationship with the company responsible for writing the question. And WPTV News Channel 5's Jillian Idle live from outside the school with where all this stands now. Jillian?
Michael, Shannon, so the parent you're about to hear from is the first to have come forward to the school concerned about this controversial question about the president. Now, he says he hopes what happened in a classroom here behind me sparks a bigger conversation inside your home.
I think I always have been and try to be involved.
Cam Carey is the Watson B. Duncan middle school parent who first came forward after seeing this question on his child's computer quiz class.
The school has been very responsive, very professional, very clear in their intent.
The district says the teacher was removed from the classroom and disciplined for breaking protocol, which requires teachers to carefully review all materials before assigning them to students.
To be clear, this is not about politics at all.
So how did this political question end up in the hands of 13 and 14-year-olds? The district says after more than a week-long investigation, they've determined the computer-based company Quizlet is to blame for creating the question, not the teacher. The school district doesn't have a contract with the company and wouldn't address the situation on camera, but in a statement tells us, quote, despite the fact that the teacher didn't write or intentionally select the question, the district views this error as a display of unprofessional behavior. Carey won't say what type of punishment he believes the teacher should receive, instead hoping what happened encourages parents to become more aware of what your child is learning.
My message to parents is to listen to your kids, talk to them regularly, check on what they're doing.
And tonight, Quizlet has yet to respond to the multiple attempts to reach them. Now, the web-based educational company reportedly sends their content to 30 million users each month. Live right now in Palm Beach Gardens, Jillian Idle, WPTV News Channel 5.